everybody, my name is Victor. Today I am going to share with you and I will talk about how to use Lego to make a claw. I use Lego and gears to make a claw. This is drive gear, and this is idle gear. This is mid, and this is driven gear. This is a thing. It can, if you turn frontward, it will open. Backward, then it will close. I want to show you a magic. Look, can grab something. Wow, it's amazing. Now, I'm going to talk about gear. This is big gear. This is little big and little small gear. If this like this, it will be faster. If this is like this, it is small. It is really slow. If it's like this, drive gear, driving gear, like this. This is a man. Look, it has a cup, a glass of water. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.
Hello, Teacher Paul. My name is Penny. This machine name is Crazy Machine because when the people sit up the machine, the rotate will very fast and the people will fly out. And people will die. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Hi teacher, my name is Brian. This is my track. He has 2 drive gears. This is my gear, and he works like this. The professor go up the stairs, and he will fall down, and he will quickly die. Goodbye, everybody.
Hi, I am Walter. This is my Lego factory. 这个
Drive gear is idle gear. Driven gear is big and small. I use rubber